Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the essentials: vertical 9, 16 framing, and a stable device mount. Use 1080p or 4K at 24 to 60 FPS for crisp motion. Keep exposure consistent. Once done, set audio so dialogue peaks around -6 dB and monitor for clipping. Make short takes. Aim for 15-30 seconds per idea and use simple shots: tight, medium, close-up, and cutaway. These quick, focused steps prevent rescues later and get you rolling fast. You now sculpt the footage. Trim each idea to its strongest few seconds so momentum stays high. Use jump cuts and match cuts timed to beats. This keeps viewers engaged. Once clips are tight, color grade with a consistent LUT and nudge saturation slightly so skin tones remain natural. Make sure captions are short, high contrast, and synced precisely. Export a high bitrate MP4. Keep file name clear. These editing choices shape attention and retention, which matter more than fancy effects. You finish by optimizing for discovery. Create a bold thumbnail and a clear title, include a hook in the first 1 to 2 seconds, and upload with descriptive metadata. Once uploaded, check playback on mobile and different networks to confirm clarity. If audio pops or noise appears, re-record a short voiceover or apply normalization and a denoise filter. Export again. Make sure captions match timing. This final pass ensures the short looks professional and still converts viewers into subscribers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.